This video is about something very important, and that is how to get Milan Travel Card. This is a travel pass that you have to buy once and you can move around the whole city using different mode of transportation like metro, tram and bus. This pass is very helpful and time saving also because you don't have to buy tickets again and again. There are two options like for 1 day or for 3 days. 1 day means 24 hours from the time of validation. Like you validate your ticket on 2 pm, then it is valid till next day 2 pm. Same for 3 days, 72 hours. So now we will show you how to generate the travel pass from the ticket machine that you can find in every metro station. So first you have to select the language. So we choose English, then few options will come. First two options from left are travel card. First one is for 1 day, that is valid for bus, tram and metro in all 3 zones in Milan. And second one is for 3 days and apply to the same as I said before. There are some other options too, like specific ticket for only Lombardy region, group ticket for 10 people, etc. We select second one for 3-day travel pass. For 1 day it will cost 7 euro and for 3 days it will cost 12 euro. And as we are 2, it cost us 24 euro. Now you have to continue. There are two options for payment, cash or card. We select card, then you have to enter the card, put your PIN number and wait for a while as the tickets will be printed and will come one by one. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now we validate it first in metro, then tram and bus to reach our hotel. And this is the Milan Central Metro station. We are waiting for our metro to come. Thank you for watching our video. Hope this video will help you to explore Milan city more easily and be with us for more such informative and travel videos.